What's the definition for pressure what's the physics definition for pressure?
It's force per unit of area.
Right. Does it mention gravity in there in any way?
Yeah, the force in our environment is gravity.
No, it's not. You've just defined it. Say it again. What's the definition for pressure?
It's force over unit of area, area.
And where's the gravity in that definition?
In the force.
No, it isn't. You've just given the definition of it. Do we need to do it a third time?
I said it's force. The gravitational force exerts a pressure.
So Brenda, when I hit a wall, is that force gravity? When I strike a wall?
No, that's the
force.
Right. When you hit a wall, the wall hits you back.
Yeah, but is that gravity, Brenda?
No.
No. So that force equals mass times area. There's no gravity involved in this, right?
In that case, correct. Yes. But in the case of an egg suspended in water, the buoyancy of the egg, the gravity is in the formula for buoyancy.
It is, but I didn't manipulate gravity as my independent variable.
You manipulated the buoyancy. I'm sorry.
I didn't. I manipulated the density of the medium, and you saw me pour salt into it.
Yes,
right,
and
so
buoyancy, you changed the buoyancy, and that has
it
gravity.
Doesn't matter if you have buoyancy. No, it doesn't matter if somebody wrote an equation and put buoyancy in it and gravity in it. Doesn't make it so. You have to demonstrate it.
Yeah, that's been demonstrated plenty of times.
No. Yes, hold on. What you have demonstrated is water pressure. Water pressure or fluid pressure is what pushes up against the object to move it up. Okay, that's what you have demonstrated. Now, your assertion of why it does that is because of gravity, which you have never proven.
Gravity has definitely been proven. But the point is...
Say it 60 more times, maybe it'll come true.
No, it's simply a natural phenomenon that we observe.
Brenda, you can't even define gravity, let alone preach that it's been proven.
And it's not a force.
What's gravity, Brenda?
Gravity is the observation as a natural phenomenon. It's the observation that objects with mass tend to be attracted to one another.
No, that's not gravity. Einstein debunked that in 1915 with his theory of general relativity, which stated that an object is not affected by another object's mass.
Well, that's technically correct, but it can manifest as a force.
But it doesn't make it a force, or does it? I mean, if you have like a little...
right, it's a pseudo-force. It's a pseudo-force. Yes, I know that.
So, you know, like a VW Beetle kind of looks a little bit like a Porsche if you squint your eyes. Doesn't make it a Porsche, though, does it? Even if you think of it as a Porsche? It's the same with gravity. Doesn't make it a force.
Is a VW Beetle a car?
Yeah.
Right. So that's what we're saying.
No, it's not. You're saying that...
We're saying that gravity is a car.
No, Brenda, you're saying that you think...
It's a car.
Brenda, you're saying that you think a force can become a force just by thinking of it as a force, and we're saying it can't.
No, I'm not saying that. You're strawmanning me.
I'm not. I'm literally identifying the problem with your reasoning.
No, you're not. You haven't identified it at all.
Brenda, a force is a force. It requires a physical interaction. What you're thinking is a force isn't a force. It can't cause anything.
Right, we understand, but it does cause things. We understand.
It doesn't. It can't cause anything. It's the effect of the
Brenda, you know, you said it manifests. What's the definition of manifest? Or what do you mean when you say manifest? So I don't want to put words in your mouth. So you find the word or the definition of manifest, so we can describe and discuss from one state. Yeah.
Yes, I understand. In an inertial frame, which is something defined by Einstein, in an inertial frame, you can regard gravity as a force. You can treat it as a force.
That's what George Musa said. Einstein said gravity is the effect of the curvature of space-time, but it can't cause anything. Only George Musa said that you can think of it as a force if you want to.
That is not true. It does. Relativity does not say that the bending of space-time can't cause anything. That's your addition.
No.
You're strawmanning Einstein.
No. General relativity specifically states that gravity is the effect of the curvature of space-time. That's what it says.
Correct. Yes, I agree.
Right. Effect being the key word.
That doesn't mean it can't cause something.
Yeah, it does. Otherwise, it would be called the cause, Brenda.
Effects can be causes, Riley.
No, they can't. Effects are the consequence.
Yes, they can. Riley,
I think you need to look at this word manifest, Brenda. It says manifest is the formal way to say that something is apparent to the senses and synonymous with evident, apparent, or clear. Now,
yes, I agree with that, Spurs.
It says if you have a strong feeling about something, they will be manifest on your face, a ship or planes. So, how is this manifest?
Gravity is an apparent force.
To the senses, gravity is apparent to the senses.
I'm agreeing with you. Manifest and apparent are the same thing. I'm saying gravity.
No. Hold on, Brenda. But
it is an apparent force.
Brenda, we don't see gravity. We don't feel gravity.
Definitely can't prove gravity.
We don't taste gravity. So
definitely don't smell it.
We don't smell gravity. So which of our senses is this apparent to?
It's the bullshit sensor, isn't it?
It is a phenomenon that we can observe, which is that objects tend to move according to how space-time is distorted.
No, where's space-time? Where did this come from?
From relativity. You guys are claiming Einstein, so you have to accept all of it.
Can you show me space-time in reality so I know it's a real thing and not just something you're making up?
Can I show you space? Can I show you time?
No, space-time. No.
Can I show you
time? It's a mathematical construct.
I can show you time.
No,
you
space-time.
Time?
It only exists mathematically, Brenda.
No, that's not true. Space-time is a physical aspect of the universe.
No, it's not. It's a mathematical construct. Do you understand that maths isn't physical?
Well, if it's physical, then it should have shape. So what shape is space-time?
Right, who's making crisp noises?
That'd be Ranty again. He's getting out the popcorn.
Listen, I've been watching Arwin, and I've seen exactly how he retains his viewership. What he does is he gets some blueberries, and he eats blueberries, and then he'll sip some tea, and then more blueberries, and then he sips some more tea.
Yeah. Ranty, you need to take your shirt off now then.
Yeah, that's another thing. Getting naked as well, so I need to get naked, eat blueberries, drink tea.
Ranty, stick yourself on mute.
Chat a load of
Brenda,
shit.
in physics, space-time is any mathematical model, and we know what the problem with the word model is, but we also know what the problem with the word mathematical is, that fuses the 3 dimensions of space and the 1 dimension of time into a single 4-dimensional continuum.
Correct.
So, is space-time a physical thing?
Yes, it is.
Right. How can it possibly be physical when it's mathematical and it's model?
Because it's described. A model is a description, right? So you can have a thing.
Right, but is it physical?
You can have a thing, and you can have the description of the thing.
Is it physical?
Right. Yes.
No, it isn't. It's a model, and it's mathematical.
No.
Both words.
The model is not physical. The model.
Brenda,
is
what
not
shape
physical.
what shape is space-time? What's its shape? Describe it.
Generally, it depends on the masses that are nearby.
It's flat, generally.
But it's generally
flat. Hold on.
It's Euclidean.
Flat is not a shape. Wait. Flat is
yes,
not a shape. Hold on.
Yes,
flat. So show me by itself flat.
That would be a plane.
No.
Flat
that is
plane.
A flat. No, you said that's now you added. See, we do the same arguments over and over. No, because you're saying. Hold on. Let me finish. You're saying you can't have. You're saying you can have just flat. Then I asked you to show me it, and then you immediately add another word, flat plane.
Yes.
So you didn't show me flat. You showed me a plane. So can you show me only flat?
Flat is a description of things, right?
Exactly. It's not a shape. It's not something. It's a description of something. So you need something to be flat. So show me this thing of space-time that is flat, please.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You're just talking
so I'm gonna
gibberish.
Hold on. So let me rephrase it. So let me define something. Something that which has shape. Nothing that which has no shape. So if you're saying space-time is physical, then it must have shape. Because if it doesn't have shape, then it's nothing. Nothing can't be something. So what is the shape of space-time?
It's Euclidean.
Euclidean is not that is a description of something.
Yes.
So show me the something. Yes. What is the something?
Yeah. I just told you. I described it to you.
No, Euclidean that's like saying flat. Like, so show me Euclidean. Show me just Euclidean.
Euclidean is a description of a thing.
Yeah. So what thing is Euclidean?
Well, can you show me brown?
No.
I want you to show me.
You're making the claim. You're making the claim about space. Don't move the goalpost.
Show me brown.
Brenda, don't move the goalpost.
I'm not. This is the
same. You said space-time is real. No.
Topic.
No. Brown is brown. Space-time is space-time.
No, it's not.
So we're back to
brown
space-time. Yes.
Brown. There's nothing.
Brenda.
You can't
focus.
show.
Brenda, focus. Space-time. What shape is space-time?
I'm giving you adjectives.
No. Right? Yes. So I don't want.
Adjective.
Show me. Flat is not a shape. It is a description of something. Euclidean is not a shape. It's a description of something. So what is the shape of that something?
It's flat.
No. What is flat?
Space-time.
What is space-time?
It is space-time is the description under relativity of the geometry of our universe. Yes,
so is it physical? So what shape is it?
It's flat.
What is flat? What is Euclidean?
Space-time.
What is space-time? Do you not see how you're just going around and around in circles? So you say space-time is flat. I say what is
answering your question.
Hold on. So I'm going to sum this up because I'm going to be done with this round of round. You're telling me space-time is X, and I go, okay, hold on, don't interrupt. What is X? You say X is flat.
You're the one interrupting me.
Let me finish.
You're the one being rude to me.
I know. You say X is flat.
You know.
And yes.
So
okay.
I'm just not going to respond to you anymore.
Okay, so don't. So I'll speak to the. You're right. I'll speak to the audience. So Brenda says X is flat. X representing space-time. I say you can't have nothing be flat. Something has to be flat. Then she says Euclidean. I say you cannot have something be Euclidean. Some object must be Euclidean. What is that object? Then she says space-time. Then he says space-time. Then it's back around to, well, what is space-time? It's flat. So, flat is Euclidean.
Okay.
Euclidean is space-time. You've never described it. You've just kept going around and around in circles.
Yeah. You went. So I get to respond to this, and you don't interrupt me because I did not interrupt you. The problem here is you are failing to understand the difference between an adjective and a noun. You don't understand. So if I have a red apple, I want you. How is the app? What is the? Write the hand. If I have a red apple on the table, I want you to show me the red of the apple. And you say, you can't do that. Well,
no, you're moving the goalpost. You're moving the goalpost.
No, this is the exact same thing.
We don't care about colors.
This is the exact same thing.
Hold on. Hold on.
Excuse me, I'm talking. I'm talking.
No, but you're not correct.
No,
you're not correct. You said it's the exact same thing.
I am talking.
If it was the exact same thing.
I am talking. I'm talking now. You had your chance. You don't understand.
If it was the exact same thing, the words would be the exact same. Don't say I don't understand.
Excuse me.
Don't say I don't understand.
Excuse me.
Don't explain something with I don't understand.
You don't
explain something with then explain it.
Shut up.
Then explain it.
Shut up.
Then explain it. Don't say I don't understand. Don't say I don't understand. Don't say that. Explain it.
Okay.
If you don't understand, then you can't explain it.
Be quiet.
Then explain it.
Be quiet.
It is actually
then explain it.
Hang on, could I just say something here? It is actually a fair thing that Right the Hand is saying, that because you often say you don't understand. It's something that we hear quite a lot. On both sides, to be fair, we do hear quite a lot of that. You don't understand. You just don't understand. And it does sound very patronising when you actually say that. So is Right the Hand says if you say he doesn't understand, okay, and he says he does understand, you know?
But he doesn't.
But if he claims that he does, this is where you need to move past that.
No, Ranty, would you show me the red of the apple?
No. See, you're moving. You're moving.
Show me.
You're moving.
That's not moving. That's not moving.
Yes, I'll show you how it's moving.
You want me to show me
we're talking space-time.
Brenda,
we're talking space-time. You move it to colors.
The flat of space-time. You want me to show you the flatness of space-time.
I want you to show me space-time, not colors.
I want you to show me the redness of an apple.
You're moving your proof from having to prove space-time to me having to prove an apple, because you can't prove space-time, so you request that I prove something.
You're not understanding the difference between an
now we don't
adjective
understand.
and a noun.
There she goes. He doesn't understand. He doesn't understand, so he can't explain it.
And a noun.
Brenda, here's the thing. Instead of saying somebody doesn't understand, explain it. But you can't because you don't understand.
I can't explain it.
So show me Euclidean space.
I will do that if you will shut the fuck up.
Now it's triggered.
Well, fuck you with your it shit.
No, it's because it doesn't know how to keep its temper.
Piece of shit.
And now
Right,
it's
right the house.
now it's
Have a
just a
minute.
ball of anger. Yep,
Fuck
it's an
off.
animal. It is an animal that I can manipulate.
Calling me an it, you piece of shit.
Yep, I will call you an it as long as you
Fucking
react
piece
to
of
it,
shit.
because that's
Shut
what
the
it's
fuck
do.
up, you
Humans
fucking
don't
piece of
react to
shit.
words like this because
Shut the
humans are
fuck
real
up.
people. You're
Fuck
not.
off.
You're a robot that I
Fuck
can
off.
manipulate.
Fuck off.
Randy,
Fuck
is this
off.
really what you want?
Fuck off.
We need this. We
Fuck
need this
off.
thing. It's starting to
Fuck
sound more
off.
like a man.
Shut the
Look,
fuck
it's
up.
starting to sound like a man now. You can
Shut
hear
up.
it. Look at it.
Shut
Look at
up.
how deep its voice is getting.
Piece
Oh,
of
it's
shit.
deep. Oh,
Fuck
it's getting its testosterone.
Fuck
The
off.
estrogen is falling away. Control
up.
of itself. Humans are in
fucking
control of
piece of
themselves.
shit.
It
Fuck
is not.
off.
This
Fuck off.
thing is not in
Fuck
control of
off.
itself.
Shut
Listen
up.
to it. This
Shut
is what my
up.
chickens do. This is what my chickens do.
Coffee.
My chickens just go rah, 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 rah,
Hey,
rah.
it's probably time to start over.
the
Can you
fuck
start
up.
over?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Bro, this
Shut
is
up.
like a child. Look
Shut
listen
up.
to it go. Oh my god, this is
fucking piece of
hysterical.
shit.
This is
Shut
hysterical.
up.
Look at the projection.
Shut up.
This thing is projecting its
Shut
inner
up.
rage right now.
Shut up!
Get it
Fuck
all
up.
out. Get it
Shut
all out.
up.
Maybe you'll have a good day tomorrow.
Fuck off!
Maybe tomorrow
Shut
you'll
up.
wake up and believe you're a man.
Shut
Get it
up.
all out.
Fuck off!
This is impotent
No, shut
rage.
the fuck up!
This is
Shut
what you
up.
do when you're not in control.
up.
When you,
Shut
I'm
up.
actually people don't
Shut
realize
up.
that I'm actually a psychologist.
Shut the
So
fuck up.
what is
Shut up.
happening right now
Shut
is
up.
the lack of
Shut up.
control in their
Shut
own
up.
life
Shut up.
gets
Shut
manifested
up.
in uncontrollable
Shut
anger.
up. Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Now, do I get to fucking talk or not? You fucker! Shut up!
Would you trust the judgment of
up.
anybody who does
Shut
this?
up!
If this person came and
Shut
told
up.
you the world was a ball, what would you say?
Fuck off! Shut the fuck up!
Brenda, you are the
Fuck
best
off.
representative for Ball Earth
Shut
I could
up.
ever ask for.
Shut up! You're not a ball. You're not a flat earther. You're a troll. You're a clown. You've told everybody you're a ball earther.
Yeah,
You're
I
a
said it once and you
clown.
believed it like
Shut
an
up.
idiot.
Shut up! I get to talk. What the fuck is wrong with you, Ranty?
What is wrong with him? What is wrong with you?
What is wrong
Did
with
you not
you,
hear?
Ranty?
You just went nonstop,
Randy,
shut the fuck up, for
what the fuck is
35,
wrong with
40
you?
minutes. And then you ask,
Shut
what is
up.
wrong with
Shut
Randy?
up.
What is wrong with you?
Shut up! Shut up! Now shut up! Ranty, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Why would it be my
Yeah.
problem?
Yeah,
Ranty,
you should have muted Randy, what
Randy.
is wrong with you? You should have
Randy.
muted it 5 minutes ago.
Ranty, what the fuck is wrong with you, Ranty? You fucker! What's wrong with you?
Why is it my problem, Brenda? I mean,
Because
you
you're
two
fake,
you two are
you're
having.
you're not moderating.
I am moderating.
That's why.
I'm letting
no,
you
you're not.
two.
You're not doing shit. You're not doing shit, Ranty.
Brenda.
No, he's letting
You're-
you make your argument. This
Shut
is
up.
your argument,
Shut
and you're
up.
making it. He's just
No,
letting you
Ranty,
make it.
You're failing to moderate this.
No, Brenda. The whole
Yes, you are.
the
No,
whole
shut up.
format on this show is that
No.
you own your own words. So everything you bring, and it's all on you. I'm not going to have you back anybody's back. I'm not going to have
You're not
right the
gonna
hands
ever-
back.
so
I'm not going to
so
have.
I can expect that you're not going to
anybody's-
ever moderate anybody. Is that correct?
Oh, I will when it gets.
No, you're not. When it
super
gets
bad.
what?
Super
This isn't super bad.
No, you've made
This
a
isn't super
mountain out
bad.
of a molehill, Brenda.
No, I'm not. I'm
You
not
did.
making a mountain out of a molehill.
You did. To be
No,
fair.
I'm not. Being
If you
being
listen
abused,
back, if you
being
listen
verbally
back,
abused and
Brenda,
ridiculed
what do you
by-
care what I think? Why do you care
Being-
what I think?
being-
Why do you let
being
other people
abused
get
by
to you?
this piece of shit?
No,
is
you're abusing yourself.
justified.
You
My
allowed
anger is
yourself. You
justified.
allowed yourself.
You
You allowed
allowed this piece of
yourself
shit
to be
be
abused.
talking over me.
You abused yourself,
don't
Brenda.
allow me to talk. No, you did. You're the bully.
Yeah, but nobody
You're
nobody
a bully.
made you react the way you
You're-
did.
you're-
That was completely
Yes.
on you.
No,
You're
it
the one
wasn't.
that chose to get
No,
triggered and
that's
started
not how
screaming.
it works.
No,
You are guilty.
so I can control
You're the
you?
bully.
Are you so
You're
I
the
can make
bully.
you do something?
You're the bully.
Can I make you be a flat earther?
You're the bully.
Could I bully you into being a
You're
flat
the
earther?
bully. You're the bully. You shut up. You're the piece of shit. Now,
I'm not
do I
talking
get
right
to
now.
fucking talk or not, Ranty?
Yes. Now listen.
No,
Now that
you-
you've no
right?
listen. Now that you've both got it all out of your system, which is great. You've both had it. You've both finally
You're a piece
exhausted
of shit,
everything.
Ranty.
Now
You're
that
a piece
you've
of shit.
now that you've exhausted
You are.
all those
Ranty.
avenues, you
You're a
can now
piece of
get
shit.
back. Now you can
I-
get
allow-
back.
I
Calm down.
think,
Calm
go
down.
on.
Now
I
you
think,
can get back. Wait
you
a
allow
minute.
this shit
Wait
to go
a
on,
minute.
Ranty.
Wait
Well,
a
allow
to be
minute.
this
fair
shit
to
to go
Brenda,
on.
I think the problem.
Now-
Randy,
no,
you
wait
allow
a
this
minute.
shit to go on, Ranty.
Now you
It's on
can.
you.
Now you
No,
can
Brenda,
get
it's
back
not-
to
yeah,
the
I don't
debate.
think that's what. I don't
This
think
is
that's
on
what.
you.
Now you can get
This is
back
on
to the
you,
debate.
Ranty. This is on you.
Now you can get back to the debate.
This is on you.
Brenda, this is all on
you
you.
lost your cool.
It's not a rant. I think.
You're not getting shit.
Brenda, you lost your cool.
I don't care.
Brenda, space-time's
I don't-
not a real thing.
Shut up.
It's a mathematical
Shut up, you
construct.
fool. Shut
Gravity
up,
doesn't exist. Stop
Shut up.
preaching nonsense.
fool. Now I get to talk. When do I get to talk? Because
Jesus
all
Christ.
I have
You've
is
been
you
told
Talk,
to
people.
shut the fuck up.
All I have is people over talking me and mocking me, ridiculing me, making fun of me, verbally
Oh, now
abusing
you're a
me.
victim.
So-
Jesus
No,
Yes,
Christ.
Brenda,
Brenda.
that's not true.
Yes, yes,
No,
I am a
Brenda.
victim here. I'm
You're
a
not a
victim.
You're
Yes,
not a
I
victim.
am.
You just talk shit, Brenda, and you
I'm
don't
not a
let it
victim.
fall out.
I'm not a
Yes.
victim. I was just
Yes.
verbally
And-
screamed at for the past 10 minutes. How am I not a victim?
Because
I'm just
you're
man
the one-
enough to
You're
not.
the one provoking it. You know exactly what you're doing.
Okay,
Yes,
so
you
I
are.
can
You're
control you.
poor.
That's so
You're
you're a
troll.
robot.
Now
So you're
shut the fuck
my
up.
puppet.
Now
Is that
shut
you admitted
the
it?
fuck up. Yeah, that's how you get your little jollies off. Is you think that you're in charge because you make people get angry at you because
No,
you're such.
I just show that people aren't
That's what
in
you-
control.
Right
like
the
they
hand,
think
right
they
the
are.
hand. Be fair. Come on,
What you
let
do.
Brenda speak.
That's what
let
you do.
her
He
speak.
doesn't let me speak.
Tell him to
Nobody-
talk about
you
something
don't.
that isn't
No,
me.
but right the hand. Come on,
Now
just
shut up.
give her
Now
1
all-
minute at least.
shut
Give
up.
her a minute.
All
Yeah.
of you, shut up.
Okay. Brenda.
Every single one of you, shut the fuck up. Just shut up. All of you, you're pieces of shit. Every one of you is a piece of shit. You're human excrement. You're the shit that comes out of your fucking mouth. That's all you are. Is your shit. All of you are shit.
Okay.
Every
Still
one
doesn't
of
make gravity a force, though, does it,
Hang
Brenda?
on, wait a
Still
minute.
shit.
Let
That's
Brenda,
all that
let Brenda get it out of the
is shit.
system. Let
You're
Brenda
just
get it out of
shit,
the system.
Ranty. You're shit, Ranty. Now shut up. You shut up, Ranty. Shut up. Every one of you, shut the fuck up. You're all shit.
We're listening, Brenda. Go ahead.
Anything more to say?
What? I'm not fucking talking to any of you. Fuck off.
Doesn't make gravity a force,
Fuck
though,
off.
Brenda.
And
Fuck
Brenda,
off.
it's not as bad
You're
as
not
you
getting
think.
to
Doesn't
talk.
make space-time
You're
real
not
either.
getting to talk. You're not getting to talk. Shut up.
We don't need to. You're saying
up.
more than enough
Shut
for
up.
everybody.
Yeah, go shut up. You think this proves something. It just
It does. It proves
that
you're a
an
maniac.
asshole. It just proves that you're a fucking troll and that
Oh,
you're
no.
able to trigger me. Big fucking deal.
No,
No,
we're
it proves you're
we're
not in control of
targeting
your
you, Brenda.
emotions.
Look, obviously, right the hand. Brenda
You
has.
triggered me. You
Look.
triggered me. Big
Yeah.
whoop-de thrill. Any
Right.
fucking idiot can do that. Any fucking
right.
idiot can trigger somebody. Any fucking
Actually,
idiot.
Brenda,
No, no.
to be honest, this
No.
is the first
Yes,
time I've ever
yes.
seen you triggered. So not anybody can do it.
Well,
Well,
that's true.
no, I mean,
That's true.
recently I
got-
think
I had
Brenda's been
deeply
trying to.
I was deeply insulted by Right
Yeah.
the Hand. He went right for me for my sexuality. He insulted
No,
me.
it had nothing to do with
He
your
insulted
sexuality. It
me
was your
se-
gender.
Yes, it did. Yes, he
No,
did.
sexuality
My
has to do with like sexual
Yes,
stuff.
yes,
Gender
you
is biological.
insulted- you
What
insulted
state
me
you are in?
Sexually, you insulted me.
No,
You
no, gender.
insult me. You abused
It's
me.
gender.
You abused me. You abused
Yeah,
Brenda,
me.
well-
do you know what
Now
abuse is?
shut up. Now shut up. Everyone,
Is this abuse?
Shut up. Shut up.
Is this abuse?
Shut up. Every one of
Thi-
you, shut
This
the
is an
fuck up.
adult
Brenda,
ball.
I
Fuck
think
off.
you need
Fuck
to relax.
Fuck
Well,
And this is an adult that believes the earth is a ball.
Fuck
This is
you.
how they deal
Brenda,
with this is how they
calm
deal
down.
with things.
Shut
You
the
need to
fuck
calm.
up.
You need
Fuck
to
off.
calm down.
No, I'm not going to.
Guys,
You're
can you
getting talk.
just let Brenda
Fuck
get it out
off.
of the system?
You're going to have to end the show. Fuck you.
No, Brenda,
You're
you
not getting
need
to
to
talk.
relax. Just think
Shut
about
up.
what you. Brenda,
No.
think about the
No, I
future.
don't want to.
Brenda,
Shut
look.
up.
Look
Shut
at the bigger
up.
picture.
You're a fucking troll.
Look at the bigger
Hey,
picture,
Hey,
Brenda.
Randy, why don't you just
You're a
restart the
fucking
show
troll.
and delete this
Shut
one?
the fuck up.
Just
Everyone,
delete it, Randy. Just
Fuck
start
off.
over.
fuck off. Every one of you. Fuck
Nobody's
off.
ever got.
Shut
Nobody's
up,
Support,
David.
Brenda.
David, you're the
Fine.
stupidest motherfucker on the earth. Shut up.
Just
Shut up,
restart
David.
the show.
Shut up. Shut up, David. Shut
Okay,
up.
Brenda,
Shut
are you
up.
causing the tides to rise?
Quiet. Shut
Oh,
up.
come on, guys. Come on.
No,
seriously.
you don't
Brenda,
get to
what is
talk.
the
You
actual
don't get to
problem?
have a
Is it
show.
what Right the Hand said? Is
don't
it what
get to
Auntie
have a
said? Is it what
show.
Ranty said?
You don't get to have a show. Now shut
Yeah,
up.
you-
Brenda, what
This
is
You
is
don't
the
get
show,
to have a
Brenda.
show. This show is over. You're not getting
Welcome
another
to
word.
the show.
The show is
Where you
over.
don't
Brenda,
know.
The show is over.
What is the
You
issue?
don't know.
Shut up. Shut up.
You gotta delete
Shut
it, man.
up.
Just delete
Shut up,
it.
David.
Don't end the show,
Shut up.
bro. There's like 130 people
I'm not.
watching.
I'm not.
Shut up.
I'm not going to end
No,
the show.
we need to find out what the problem
Shut
is.
up.
Brenda,
I just
is
want-
the
Shut up.
problem
No.
what
Shut
Right
up.
Hand said,
That's
what
it. Shut
Auntie
up.
said, or what
Shit.
Ranty said, or what
Shut
I
up.
said?
Shut up.
Is it because we said space time doesn't
You
exist?
Shut
gotta,
up.
you
Look,
gotta
shut
restart the show. Come on, man.
No.
Be
Listen,
quiet.
guys. Listen.
Now fuck
At
off.
the end of the day, I
Fuck
want
you.
Brenda to get this
Fuck
out of
off,
the system.
Randy.
It's part
Shut
of
up,
the healing.
Randy.
Is
It's
it because
part
I
of the
called
healing.
space time
This
in
is
it?
part
Shut
of
up.
the healing process.
Shut up.
It's part of the
Shut
healing
up.
process.
Let it out, Brenda.
Shut up.
Go on.
There's
Get
no
it.
healing process.
You-
Fuck
There is
off.
a
Let it out,
healing,
Brenda.
Honestly, once
There
you
is
get
healing.
Don't hold
Get
back,
out.
Brenda. Let it
system,
go.
you'll feel
Shut
better.
up.
You'll feel better afterwards.
Shut
Honestly,
up.
we're here for you.
Yeah, and I think the problem is that Brenda's been trying to get this out for a long time here, and I think if she talks about
No,
it,
it has nothing to do with that. Just shut up.
Oh, you are manifesting your
nothing to do
interior
with that.
feelings.
Come on,
You
Kimo.
oh, right the
Fuck
hand,
off.
come on.
Kimo,
Fuck
don't
off,
rub
you
it
piece
in,
of
man.
shit. You're a fucking piece of shit. Shut up.
heard that one already.
Shut
Come on,
up.
because we don't want Brenda to do
Shut
anything
up.
silly.
Shut up,
We can see
Spurs.
that she's in a rage, she's in a state, and she's very frustrated.
Yeah.
Now she could
Spurs
do
told
something,
me.
right?
Spurs, you told me personally, you're not a flat earther. You are not a flat earther, Spurs. Right
Brenda,
the hand.
I
is another
understand.
troll. Right the hand is not a flat earther.
Okay.
Right?
Brenda,
and Spurs,
but the-
Gizmo, you're not a flat earther, are you,
Brenda.
Spurs? That's
I'm a
why
flat
you've been
earther.
trolling. Spurs, that's why you've been trolling Nathan with your bullshit about pressure.
Brenda, I
Right? That's because you
understand.
made that
He
bullshit.
actually has a
'Cause
point
you're
on
not-
pressure, man.
You're not, he doesn't. You're not a flat
Yeah.
earther, Spurs. You're a
Barometers
troll.
and thermometers
You're a
measure
troll.
liquid
I'm not
expansion
a
of
flat
air
earther.
pressure.
Brenda, you need to look within
No,
and look
I
at
don't
yourself.
need
Okay.
to do fucking shit.
No,
I
you're
don't
the
need
one
to do
freaking
shit.
out right now, Brenda. Okay.
Shut
Nobody
up.
else other than
Shut
you.
up.
Yes.
Shut up.
Bro, this is what happened
Quiet.
when I learned space time
Shut up.
wasn't real.
Shut up. Right the hand is the dumbest motherfucker ever.
Brenda.
This is how I
stop
felt when I
freaking
realised
out.
that Einstein
Don't
debunked
need to speak out
I
in this way.
destroyed you.
Yes.
And
Now, I've just taken these guys off for just a few seconds here, guys, because Brenda wasn't supposed to be on the panel tonight. She actually asked to join from the chat. She made several requests to join the panel, which she has done. And yeah, I mean, it wasn't supposed to go like this, but I'm not going to change the format. I'm not going to change the show. It is what it is.
fuck off.
Can I say something there?
Fuck off. You're not
One
getting
second.
anything. You're not getting anything.
Can I say
Shut
something,
up.
Brenda?
Shut up. No, shut up.
Right
Oh,
the hand.
Brenda, you're
Shut
giving
up.
us plenty.
Shut
Tell
up.
your story,
I'm
right?
gonna
Your
have
hand.
video.
Shut
I'm
up.
gonna make
Shut
a
up.
video
Fuck
on
off,
this.
man.
Hey, suppose. Hey,
Fuck
everyone.
off.
Your
Brenda,
story,
just calm
man.
down,
Fuck
relax.
off.
Brenda, I'm gonna make a
Fuck
music
off.
video called
You get
"Shut the
nothing.
Fuck Up."
You're
You
telling
get-
your story,
Shut the
man.
fuck.
So
Shut
shut
the
up.
fuck.
Hey,
Shut the
Brenda,
fuck.
we're sorry,
Get
all
a
right?
show.
Now go
Fuck
on with
off.
the show. Tell us.
Shut
Go
up.
ahead. Hurry
Shut
up.
up. Shut up.
No, Brenda, calm
Fuck
down.
off.
There. So let's
No.
continue the show. So,
Fuck off.
Brenda.
Shut up.
Brenda.
Fuck
Brenda.
off. No.
Brenda.
Sorry,
No.
Brenda, but can't you just calm down
Fuck
for a
off.
We'll
bit?
just get back to. We'll get back
I'm
to
not
what we're
going to.
talking about.
I'm
Let's go back
not
to
going to. Fuck
Brenda,
off.
this is a live
up.
stream. You
Shut-
understand
I
that,
don't
right?
give a fuck.
This
Shut
is
up.
live, not behind the scenes. People are listening
Fuck
to
off.
this.
Who cares?
Yeah, I think.
Fuck off.
If you, I
You
think-
don't get a show. You're not getting a show tonight. You're not getting a show tonight. So fuck off.
All right, Brenda, why?
not
What's the
getting the show.
All right, tell us
You
why.
don't get to talk
Because-
about
Why?
letters.
Brenda, you
You
don't realize
talk
that
about
you're
anything.
you're
You
putting
don't
on a
get to
better
talk.
show than we
You don't
could
get to
ever
talk.
do.
You don't get to do
This is
anything.
comedy
you don't
gold.
Get to say anything. You don't get to do anything or say anything. So shut up.
Because you can't
don't
prove
get
your
to talk.
points.
No, get
If
to.
I couldn't
shut
prove
up.
my points,
You
I
can't.
would shut
You
down the
can't.
voices of everybody
did-
else.
you
That's what
didn't.
I would do.
No, that's
Massive shout out to Earth is Seriously Flat and Hitchhiker's Guide to the Earth for smashing the super chat. Thank you very much.
you didn't let me talk. You didn't let me talk, and Ranty didn't moderate.
If I didn't let you talk, how do I know that you said space-time is flat, space-time is Euclidean, Euclidean is flat?
You don't know the difference between an adjective and a noun.
Brenda, you're going to pass out.
You're so fucking stupid. You're so fucking stupid. You don't know the difference between an adjective and a noun.
All right, he apologized. I just heard him. He apologized. Shut up over there.
Stupid you are.
Oh,
You don't let people talk. You don't let me talk. And Ranty didn't do his fucking
Brenda,
job.
you
talking all night,
quiet
Brenda. You haven't
and allow
stopped
me to
talking.
respond.
Hold on, just a
didn't
minute,
let me
Brenda. Just a
respond.
minute.
Ranty,
Just
shut up,
a
Ranty.
minute,
Shut
Brenda.
the fuck up. Fuck off.
Just
Ranty,
a minute, Brenda.
Shut up. Shut up,
You
Ranty.
asked to join the
Fuck
panel,
off. Shut up.
and here you
Shut
are.
up. Shut up.
I'm sorry, but it is funny. It's funny how triggered you are when I'm trying to moderate
Yeah,
here.
fuck off. No, I'm not.
I'm trying to
triggered.
bring you back into the
You're
fold
not
and
triggered.
say, let's just talk. Let's just
I'm
talk.
preventing-
Brenda claims she's not triggered, right?
I'm preventing
One
you
for
from having
in
sex.
chat.
You're
One
not
one
gonna
for
have-
Brenda's triggered to
You're
death.
not gonna get to
Any
do
other number for she's not.
You're not going to get to talk about anything. Shut up.
Brenda, we could just terminate this call and start a new call without you in it.
Yeah,
You do
do it.
realise that, right?
Do it.
No, but no. Let's calm Brenda
That's what
down
you have
first.
to
I
do.
think. I feel if we can find
That's
the
what you have
cause
to do.
of this
Shut
effect.
I
up.
know what the cause is.
Shut up.
I know what the
What is
cause
the
is.
cause of this
Don't
effect?
quit
Please
jumping
stop.
in the end.
Shut up.
She was called
Shut
it.
up.
That's why.
Shut up.
That's the reason.
That's what
she's
you
unhappy.
have to do. If you want this to stop, you have to end the show. Now,
We don't have to
fuck
end the show
off.
at all. We can just end the call, you Burke.
End the show.
No,
Yeah.
Anthony,
End
be
it.
fair.
End
Be
it.
fair.
End it.
Anthony.
I think
End the
that's
show.
probably what I'm going
End
to
the
do.
show,
Anthony,
you
no.
fucking shit.
Ranty, don't end the show.
End
No,
the
no,
Just end the
no,
call.
don't end the
Just
show.
start a
I
new
think
call.
I am going to end
You're
the show.
fucking-
No, Ranty, don't end the show.
Fucking
Don't
cowards.
end the show.
End the
Just end the
show.
call.
Fucking
No.
cowards.
No, we
You
need to
could-
find the cause of this effect.
No. Here's, I'll tell you the cause.
I'm with
Yeah,
Spurs
the
Chemo. I
cause.
think we should treat this like a
Spurs.
scientific experiment.
First, fuck
What?
off.
So, should we
What's the
wiggle
independent
the independent variable?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Ranty, don't end the show. Just start a new
The thing is,
call.
you're afraid
No, come on.
you couldn't debate me in a one-on-one in a million years. You couldn't do it. What you have to
debated
do
you in a
what you
one-on-one
have
already.
to- No, you haven't. No, you didn't.
Brenda, you
No,
can't
you
even
didn't.
define
We had a
gravity,
fight
but
night.
you
You
didn't.
didn't do that.
can
You were
prove
in
it.
there with Ranty, and Ranty allowed you to abuse me. That's what happened.
Bro, what do you think
Ranty
will
allowed-
happen one-on-one?
Ranty allowed you to talk over me. So you didn't you couldn't beat me in a one-on-one
Yeah, but
in a million.
one-on-one,
Brenda,
one-on-one,
you do
you
realize-
don't have anybody to
Actual
help him.
moderator, with an actual moderator who did his fucking job.
You do realise that
Oh, you didn't do your
rumpus,
shut up, Randy.
the rumpus
Shut
has
up.
been in, and he's
Randy,
handled
shut up.
himself quite
Fuck
eloquently
off.
against
Yeah, fuck
3 or
you.
4 flat earthers that
Fuck
were in
you.
here.
Fuck you.
I just want,
Fuck
we're trying
you.
to get you
Fuck
to
you.
calm down a little bit.
No,
If you're not
No.
going to calm down, I will
No.
just start a new call
Fuck
without you
off.
in it, Brenda.
no. Go ahead.
Okay,
Fuck off.
I will do.
You couldn't in any one-on-one debate
No,
with any
Randy,
one of
you
these
should've
people,
seen how
I would
long.
destroy you. In any one-on-one debate with any of you, I would destroy you.
You wouldn't,
Any
Brenda.
one of
Yeah, 'cause
with
that's
the
Brenda, no,
real
I wouldn't agree
moderator.
with
You're
that,
just a
Brenda.
With the
denier, Brenda.
moderator,
I wouldn't agree
with
with
the
that.
moderator-
Deny.
with the moderator
Randy,
who
you've
actually
got to
did his
keep the show
fucking
on.
job.
Keep
The
going.
moderator who did his fucking job.
You obviously
That's
don't
right.
know this format, Brenda.
I don't give a shit.
The format is you
You
own
have an
your own.
obligation.
You bring
have an
in your own
obligation.
proofs.
You have an obligation.
And you're all on
you
your
have
own.
an obligation, Ranty. You have an
To do
obligation, Ranty. You have an obligation to make sure that your other guests don't talk over and abuse
No, I don't.
your guests. Yes, you do.
No, I
yes,
don't.
you do.
Brenda, this is the
You have an
aftermath, Brenda,
obligation.
not a
This
debate.
isn't a
This
debate.
is just
This
chit
This is
chat.
just chit chat after show.
But then you still have an obligation
asked
to
join,
prevent
Brenda.
to moderate the people in your debate. You still have an obligation.
No?
Yes.
No.
Brenda,
And
don't you think you have an
failed.
obligation to
No,
act like a
shut
normal
up.
human being?
Shut up. Shut up. You're not.
Brenda,
human.
how
So
many
we have no
times?
personal
how many
obligations?
times-
Go fuck yourself.
Brenda,
No,
how many
fuck
times?
off.
How many times
No,
when
fuck
let's
off.
just say
Just
any of us
shut
are
up.
talking to people
Shut
and
up.
we're called idiots,
Shut up.
you
Shut
have to
up.
just suck it up.
Shut up.
She ain't gonna quit, man.
Shut up.
Ranty, just start a fresh call.
Yeah, I'm
Just
gonna
fuck
I'm gonna
off.
make that
You're
right
a
now.
fucking piece of shit, Ranty. You're a fucking piece of shit. You did this on purpose, didn't you? You
Yeah,
allow
thanks, Brenda.
you allow globe earthers to come in here, and you allow flat earthers to do whatever the fuck they want, don't you? You're a fucking
Brenda.
piece of shit.
Brenda,
You're
He's
a
been
fucking-
letting you do
Hang
whatever
on a
you
second,
want for the
Brenda.
past
Hang on a
20
second.
minutes.
With
You're a
Lanty's
fucking
defense.
piece of
Hang on,
shit,
hang on a
Lanty.
second now.
Fuck
Hang on,
off.
Brenda, and Lanty's defense.
Fuck
I was
off.
debating Bob the Science Guy
Fuck
only
off.
recently,
Shut
and
up.
he kept on calling me an idiot
Shut up.
continually.
Shut up, you
You know,
fucking
I had
piece
to
of
suck
shit.
it up.
Fuck
You know, don't
off.
call me a piece of shit.
Fuck off.
I had to suck it up. I got triggered
Fuck
a bit.
off.
That was on me. If you
Shut
got triggered,
up.
it's on you, Brenda.
Why are you talking? Shut up.
Because I'm on the
You all
call.
shut up. Every one of you will shut up. Now, fuck off.
Right, I'm going to call you guys back in
Fuck off.
10 seconds.
Okay.
Go fuck
All hang
yourself.
up.